Hello everyone, welcome to 60 Thoughts. Today we talk about what is an adjacency matrix in graph. An adjacency matrix is a way of representing a graph both directed or undirected using a square matrix. Okay, that is called an adjacency matrix. Okay, let us see the mathematical definition of adjacency matrix. Let it G equal to vertices of edges be a simple graph with n vertices. It is adjacency matrix is denoted by capital A equal to Aij and is defined A equal to Aij n by n. This n is called what? Both rows and columns we consider vertices only. That is equal to 1, 0. When we assign value is 1, if the number of edges between the vertices Vi to Vj, otherwise we assign the value is 0. Once satisfies this condition, then that matrix is called what? Adjacency matrix. I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.